Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Bluetooth icon missing error in Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match. Click on open to continue and wait until a new window would appear, which is our settings. You can also use the keys which are by pressing Windows and I key together. There you would be able to open the settings. Okay. So here with the settings window, please proceed at the left side of that. There you can see a list of the option. Please go with Bluetooth and devices. So click on it. And the moment you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down and look for devices which contains mouse, keyboard, pen, audio, displays, and other devices. So tap to it. And the moment you have tapped on it, you can see a list of the option. But here you need to look for more Bluetooth settings next to send or receive files via Bluetooth. So click on this arrow icon, and the moment you have click on it, you will be able to open a Bluetooth settings window where here you need to close this settings first so that we can focus on this new window called Bluetooth settings. So here under the options, you would be able to see show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. So you need to check the box, and once you have checked it, click on apply to proceed and click on OK. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So navigate here at the forward arrow if your Bluetooth is there and also in the taskbar. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.